Welcome. Today, you'll learn how to use the new spoiler feature on the Telegram app for PC, a perfect way to keep surprises hidden in your chats until others are ready to reveal them. Let's get started. First, open the Telegram app on your computer. Once you're in, navigate to the chat where you want to send a message with a spoiler. This could be a group, a channel, or a private conversation, anywhere you want to keep details under wraps for now. Now type out your message in the chat box. Think about what you want to hide. Maybe it's a plot twist, a secret announcement, or anything you want others to reveal on their own time. Once your message is ready, use your mouse to select all of the text you want to mark as a spoiler. With your text highlighted, right-click on the selected message. A menu will appear. Look for the option labeled Formatting. Hover over or click on Formatting, and you'll see several formatting choices pop up. Among them, you'll find Spoiler. Click on Spoiler and you'll notice your selected text is now visually hidden or blurred, indicating the spoiler formatting has been applied. The final step is simple. Click Send. Your message will appear in the chat with the spoiler effect, hiding the content from view. Anyone in the chat can now click on the blurred or grayed out text to reveal the hidden message whenever they're ready. No more accidental spoilers ruining the fun. That's all it takes to use the spoiler feature on Telegram for PC. It's a great way to share surprises, sensitive information, or plot twists without giving everything away at once. Try it out the next time you want to keep your friends guessing or protect them from spoilers in your conversations. Thanks for tuning in, and enjoy keeping your chat suspenseful and spoiler-free.